Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Picking up your tool and realizing the Makita battery is not charging can quickly slow everything down, especially when you expected it to be ready to use. Sometimes the charger light behaves differently than usual, while other times the battery simply sits in the charger without gaining power. Situations like this can happen because of dirty battery contacts, temperature changes, charger connection issues, or the battery not seating properly. Before thinking the battery needs replacing, there are a few quick things worth checking because many charging problems come from simple causes that are easy to miss. Let's go through some easy steps that may help your Makita battery start charging again. Try these. Step 1. Remove the Makita battery and place it back into the charger to make sure it fits securely. Step 2. Check the power source connected to the Makita battery charger and confirm the outlet is working properly. Step 3. Clean the metal contact points on the Makita battery if dust or buildup is visible. Step 4. Allow the Makita battery to return to room temperature if it feels very warm or unusually cold. Step 5. Try charging the Makita battery in another compatible charger if one is available. Step 6. Watch the charging indicator for the Makita battery and check whether normal charging begins again.